Why? Because sneezing is one of the few universal human experiences. It's involuntary, unscripted, and when someone sneezes, you reflexively respond. That tiny moment, it's a microbond, a shared "I see you" fellow human. Science backs this up. MRI scans show when we hear a sneeze, our empathy centers light up. Even babies react to sneeze sounds before they understand language. It's primal, built into our social wiring. We're not just detecting germs, we're detecting need. And here's the kicker. Sneezing shaped language itself. Linguists trace words like achoo across 5,000 languages.